Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in our Lean Six Sigma approach, that is how to calculate the deviation in any data. First we will understand what is deviation. Deviation is the distance between a data point and the mean value. For example, in the below graph you can see there are multiple data points and the mean is drawn as the line. So the mean is drawn as the line in the middle of the graph, whereas the data points are scattered at different locations in this graph. So deviation will be the distance between the location or the position of any data point and its mean value. This is called the deviation. So now we are going to learn and we are going to discuss what is the normal distribution concept in statistics. The normal distribution concept is completely described by the mean value and the standard deviation, and we define it in terms of plus minus of sigma. You can see on the right side there is some data that is being plotted on the graph. On the horizontal side it's the number of days, and on the vertical axis its frequency. This curve is very much symmetrical. We have the mean in the middle and we have the 50% data on the right side and 50% data on the left side. The complete 100% data is covered under this curve, so we call this the normal distribution. This is the normal distribution. So what is the standard normal curve? The standard normal curve is a special case of normal distribution where the mean is at 0 and the standard deviation is 1. This is type of normal distribution is called the standard normal curve. In this graph you can see that the mean is in the middle and the data is on the both sides. 68.26% of the data is between 1 standard deviation on both sides, between -1 and +1. 95.44% data is between -2 and 2 standard deviations, whereas 99.73% data is between -3 and +3 standard deviations. So we can see that between 6 standard deviations, 3 on the both sides, we have 99.73% of the data, while 95% of the data is between 4 standard deviations of 4 sigmas, 2 on the right side and 2 on the right side. So what is the empirical formula? Empirical formula rule is that 68.26 of the data should fall within a distance of plus minus 1 sigma. 95.45% of the data must be within plus minus 2 sigma, and 99.73% of the data must be in plus minus 3 sigma from the mean. Let's assume an example. We have 1 liter production with filling volumes. The mean is 1002 ml and standard deviation is 1 ml. It means that nearly 68.26% of the all values will be between 1001 and 1003 ml. So what we have did, we have added 1 ml on the right side and subtracted 1 ml on the left side. So the range becomes 1001 to 1003 ml. Similarly, 95.45% of the data will be between 1002 ml plus minus 2, means it will be in the range of 1000 ml and 1004 ml. Now moving forward, 99.73% of the data will be between 1002 plus minus 3 ml, means the data between 999 ml and 1005 ml will be 99.73% data of complete filling volumes. So the probability of any value that will fall out of this range 999 to 1005 ml, this will be only 0.27%, which is a very special case variation. So in this lecture we have learned the empirical formula, the normal distribution, the six sigmas. Plus minus 3 sigma is 6 sigmas because there are 3 sigmas on the both sides. The percentage of data that will be covered in this sigma and in this normal distribution. For any question you can write in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.